In today's video I'm going to teach you how to do the box step. It's Hyperion from Salsa Bachata Academy. Let's start. Let's do the box step. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So, guys, what you have to do is very easy. Imagine a box and try to step in the corners. Let's start. Right leg on one is stepping to the side. Left. 1. Now I will go back with my left. 3. Step to the side. Step forward. One more time. Only the legs. Step left. Step back. Side. Forward. Now let's try with the count. Here in this step we will count only 1, 3, 5, 7, not the normal salsa count 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So count and step only in the 1, 3, 5, 7. Let's do this. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, go. 5, 6, 7. Cross. 1, open. 3, side, 5, forward, 7. Again. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 5, 6, 7. 1, back, 3, side, 5, forward, 7. And cross, back, side, 7. 1, 3, 5. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So everybody, that was it. Thank you for watching my tutorial. And also, if you would like to see more tutorials like this, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. I will notify you every time I upload a new video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.